Okay, we're given the graph of a quadratic function. Sometimes we call this a parabola, and we're asked to grab some information off this graph, just being able to read it and understand it. All right, so the first thing is this opens up. That's not asked of us, but this is what a graph looks like when it opens up for a parabola. These tails at the end would go down towards the bottom if it was opening down. The next thing is the vertex. Okay, the vertex is this very lowest point on the parabola. So identifying it's right about there, we need to make that into an ordered pair. So in this case, it's going to be 3 to the left, so -3, and down 1, so -1 for a y value. Okay, next thing we can do is find the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is where we hit the y-axis. If you'll recall, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. So the y-axis, I believe our graph touches the y-axis right about here. As an ordered pair, that is 0 left or right, and 8 up from the origin. So as an ordered pair, 0, 8. Next up, let's hit up the x-intercepts. X-intercepts are wherever we hit the x-axis going across here. Looks to me like we have 2 of these x-intercepts on our graph. Sometimes we call these zeros or roots in other applications. But as ordered pairs, I believe that's going to be -4, and then 0 up or down, and then a second one at -2, 0. Last thing we need to find is the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is this line that if we were to draw it in, we typically use a dashed line to indicate where it's at. It's going to cut our parabola directly in half, meaning the left-hand side and the right-hand side of this are mirror images across this line, the axis of symmetry. So remember, that's going to be a vertical line. So all the x values on this line are the exact same. So it's going to be x equals some number. Then we just have to remember that it goes through our vertex. So we're going to use the x value from our vertex. So x equals -3 as the equation of a vertical line. Don't forget the x equals, or you're not going to get full credit for this. All right, good luck. Hope this helps out.